Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from DinOnlinePitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Leadler. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how the Leadler works. Now as a reminder, this new product launch will go live on November 2nd at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get access to Leadler when this goes live. And the best part is you can get a discounted price for this digital product launch during this launch period of Leadler. Now this is a limited time offer, so you must act fast as the price increases every 60 minutes. Now to get this discounted price, you can go ahead and click the link down below in this video to check it out. And I'm also going to be offering you my free bonuses here, and I will show you how you can get this product from here, so you can go ahead and retrieve my free bonuses by clicking the link down below in this video. All you can do is keep an eye onto my bonus banner and we're gonna go from there. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Leadler. Now to put this briefly, Leadler is a cloud-based platform that is a smart lead generation program that allows you one-click opt-in of a verified leads. Now this is a free autoresponder that comes with the system that lets you build an email list so you can send them offers. Now Leadler lets you send unlimited emails without any experience or technical skills. So if you're a newbie or a beginner, now this program works for you. Because this autoresponder, you don't have to have monthly fees, monthly payments, whereas the one that I have, honestly, I'm paying monthly payments, and so you don't want that if you are just started with the online marketing business. And so this is perfect for anyone who is looking for something that they can get yourself started with using an autoresponder. And also you can integrate Leadler to any network available inside of the program here, as you can see there. And also there are video trainings over here that are available for you to watch inside of Leadler as well. Now the benefits of Leadler is that this product is one thing that is great about the product is that there will be no more there will be no huge monthly fees to email or autoresponders, and so which is a good thing because you don't want to pay for monthly fees. And you know, with if you're a beginner or if you just started with the whole online business, this is a perfect setup for you, because all you have to do is buy this in one-time payment and then you are good to go. And it comes with training here if you have any questions or if you feel the need to get started with using Leadler. Pretty much this is very friendly and easy to use program in my opinion, and you don't have to worry about your email account being closed down or for no reason without warning, and so which is a good thing about this autoresponder. And you really don't have to worry about putting your subscribers off with time wasting double click email verifications. All you can do is just pretty much you can send your leads in here and then you're good to go, and then you can start saving all your email list inside of Leadler. And you can build your list over here as well, again, because this is something different, so you don't have to worry about having your email list in here when it goes outdated. You don't have to worry about that part, because majority of the autoresponders, once you have leads that are outdated, and pretty much you have to start cleaning all your list inside of your autoresponder. But for this one, you are good to go. So pretty much Leadler gives you lifetime access to your email marketing or email money making machine, and so you can use this forever. So you, in essence, you really don't have to buy those autoresponders that requires you to pay monthly fees, because this one is free for life. So you can use this forever pretty much, which is a great thing about Leadler. And so you can pretty much be confident that you're receiving this high quality, high converting email addresses from your online marketing out there. And what's more is that your emails will go straight to your users' inboxes, and they will be able to start reading your emails. So every time you send an email, then it gets read, and then you can pretty much make huge profits with these methods of Leadler. So I'm going to be showing you the inside of Leadler program. So right over here is the main dashboard of this page here. So this is going to be your stats that's going to show inside of Leadler. Here is where you can integrate your Google account, your Twitter, your LinkedIn profile here. This is where you can create your campaigns. So over in this section here, you just go ahead and click the add campaign, and then that's where you can start creating your campaign. You can add your links right over here in this section by going over here, and all your links are going to start showing over here in this section. All your leads are going to be showing up here as well. And so this is the section where you can look at your leads and see how many that you're getting. This is where you can access to the autoresponder over here in the send unlimited emails. This is the training section. So if you have any questions, or if you need help with trying to play around with Leadler or how this whole thing works, then this is where you can go ahead and get access to the training inside of this program here. Then the vendor bonuses as well is right over here. And don't forget, I'm going to be offering you my free bonuses as well. So if you decide to pick up Leadler, I'm going to be offering you my free bonuses right away. It's going to send to you once you decide to pick up Leadler. And also, if you have any questions about this program, you can go ahead and go to support. So this is where you can go ahead and ask them questions about anything that involves with the Leadler program. And so as you can see here, this is simplified, very easy to use. All you have to do is pretty much manage this section here for your leads. And then for your autoresponder, you can go over here. And for training, you can get access to training, or if you have any questions, you go over to support right down here in this link here. And so that's pretty much it. So this is what the Leadler looks like. It's very self-explanatory, very easy to use and user-friendly. So as you can see here, it's not too many options where it gets really overwhelming, but this is really easy to use and pretty much not that hard to figure out. And so pretty much this is what Leadler looks like inside of the members area. And so I like it. I like how simple it is to use, and also it's not too crowded, or it doesn't have any of those options that's gonna make me feel confused about how to use this program. And so that's that for Leadler. Now I'm gonna be showing you my bonus page. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Leadler, this is going to go live on November 2nd. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these green buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And then as you can see here, this pop-up will come up as soon as you get access to my exclusive link. Then feel free to take advantage of this $3 discount available. Go ahead and click on that as soon as this one shows up. And then right down here is where you can go ahead and pick up Leadler. Now you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out, then all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through to my bonus page here, and just scroll down and click on any of these green buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page where you can go ahead and pick this up. Okay, and if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page. You can go ahead and send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now, these bonuses I'm offering to you that I just mentioned to you earlier is completely free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is at time of recording this video is only going to be $17 in price. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please feel free to check out the upgrades onto my bonus page down below in the description of this video. Now, please consider checking this out. Scroll down and look over onto this page here where it says prices and upsells. Here are the available upgrades for you to check out. Now, I would encourage you to start reading all the available upgrades that I have posted over to my bonus page. It's gonna help you increase your chances for earning more money, and the more you learn, the more you earn. So take advantage of these upgrades, so that potentially once you start learning all this stuff that's gonna be given to you for the available upgrades of Leadler, you're gonna be able to start earning money, because you're gonna be learning some more techniques of this program, and you'll be able to not regret this, because you're gonna be learning some techniques where you cannot find anywhere else, not even in Google, not even in YouTube. And so make sure to take advantage of this one, so that you'll be able to invest in yourself, because once you start investing in yourself, then you'll be able to learn all this extra stuff that you need to learn for your online business, and you'll be able to grow your online business with this available upgrades. Now, when you click the link down below in the description of this video to purchase Leadler, I will offer you all my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you all my free bonuses. So make sure that you click the link down below in the description of any of my review videos, or if you have any questions about this, you can go ahead and find my Facebook page here. You can go ahead and send me a message right there. Make sure that you follow me on my Facebook page, and then once you send me a message, I'll be able to answer any of your questions. Now, remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $17 during the launch period of Leadler. Now, once again, don't forget to check out all my bonuses, because they are super valuable. It's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch, and it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on November 5th. So make sure that you look out for that when you pick this up. Now, all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $17 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my Leadler review. Now, I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure that you click the link below to purchase Leadler at a discounted price. And also, don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that are you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now, I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next video.